Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine yeast at home. Start by sanitizing all equipment thoroughly and prepare a simple starter with 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon sugar to attract wild yeast. Leave the mixture loosely covered in a warm place for several days, stirring daily and watching for bubbles and yeasty aromas. When active, gradually feed with 1 tablespoon sugar twice daily until robust and ready to pitch into must. Collecting wild yeast starts with selecting organic fruit or clean vineyard leaves and placing them in a jar with a 2-cup sugar wash to encourage growth. Keep the jar loosely covered to allow airflow while preventing insects and dust, and store it in a warm, stable spot around 70°F to 75°F. Stir the wash daily and smell for pleasant fermenting notes. Discard any starter that smells rotten or shows black mold. To build a reliable starter, transfer active wash to a larger sanitized jar and add 1 tablespoon sugar twice daily to feed the growing yeast population without overwhelming them. Maintain a consistent temperature near 70°F and observe froth, aroma, and ring growth as signs of vitality. Avoid wild swings that stress the culture. When the starter is vigorous, with steady bubbles and a pleasant ferment aroma, you can gently decant and pitch into.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.